Once upon a time, there were nine. 9 worlds circling one sun. 9 members of a cosmic family. And Pluto, the smallest one, was the quiet kid at the end of the table. For 76 years, Pluto was called the 9th planet. Part of the solar system. Part of the story. Part of us. But then came the first turning point. The day Pluto was erased. Not destroyed, just redefined. Scientists decided it wasn't a planet anymore. Too small, too distant, not enough power. And in a single moment, Pluto went from a world to a dwarf planet. The universe didn't change that day, but the way we saw Pluto did, far from the sun. Where warmth fades into memory, Pluto orbits through eternal winter. Its surface is covered in frozen nitrogen, mountains of water ice harder than rock, and plains shaped like a giant frozen heart, the Tombaugh Regio, named after the man who discovered Pluto. And here comes the second turning point, when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft reached Pluto in 2015. The world that everyone expected to be dead was not. There were glaciers moving, gases rising and falling, a sky forming hazy blue layers. For a world abandoned by science, Pluto was still alive. Then came the third turning point. Pluto has a moon, Charon, almost its own size. They don't orbit like planet and moon. They orbit each other. 2 worlds locked hand in hand, spinning around a point in space between them. Not master and servant, but equals. Pluto, the world that was excluded, turned out to be one of the most unique. Some scientists now believe Pluto might have a subsurface ocean, a hidden sea of liquid water kept warm under the ice. Where there is water, there is possibility. And where there is possibility, there is hope. Maybe Pluto never needed a title to matter. Maybe it was never meant to fit the rules. Maybe it was meant to rewrite them. So here's the truth no science can delete. Pluto is still a planet in the hearts of the people who grew up loving it. A world that was never the biggest, the brightest, or the strongest. Just the one that refused to be forgotten. Sometimes the smallest member of the family carries the biggest story. And Pluto's story isn't over. It's just waiting for the day it is welcomed home again.